Drop your arm, and now lean your head to the left a little bit. Easy, just easy. Good. Look down, please. I'm going to come under here.
That's a Theragun, no?
Excuse me? Yes, it is. It's like a Theragun. Yeah. This is pretty good. Yeah. It gets stronger. Yeah. You might want to get one. Yeah. They're good for. Yeah, they're good for pastry chefs. Yeah. At the end of the day, maybe you might want to do it to your body. A lot of athletes that I take care of, all of them have them.
Yeah, sure. I try what before.
Yeah. Good. Drop your arm. Relax. Lean your head to the right, nice and easy. Good. It gets a little bit stronger. I just don't want to shake your whole body too much. Look down now. Look down. Good. Just like that. Easy. Good. Good. Look straight. Good. You're going to feel a little tap like that. It's going to just loosen up your spine a little bit. So turn your head right. Hold there nice and easy. Just going to go easy. Just to loosen this up. Good. Good. Straight ahead now. Okay, we're going to go to the other way. Turn left, please. Same thing. I'm going to come here. Look straight ahead, please. Just relax. Good. Lean left. Good. Lean right, please. Perfect. Just relax here. Good. I'm going to try to open up your shoulder joints also. Same thing here. You're going to feel a little tap. It's not going to hurt. All right, just loosen. It's designed to just open up the joints a little bit. Hold right there, please. Good. Nice and easy. Good. Look straight ahead, please. And just relax easy. Good. Just going to go right in here. Same thing. And then right into the shoulder joint. Good. Turn your head this way, please. I want you to hold right there, please. Okay, look straight ahead, please. And just easy, just relax. Breathe nice and easy. Good. Okay, it's going to come into the shoulder joint. Excellent. And I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in 1 second. Right? Okay, pull back, please. And relax. Let's do the same on this side. Okay. Pull back. There we go, and relax. It's easy. Good. Okay. Let me take this arm. Relax. Let it drop. Let it drop. Okay, I'm just going to go into the shoulder a little bit. And let it go. Good. Let's take the other side, same way. Let it drop. Easy. Good. Just going to come in. That was me. Yeah. All right, that was me. Okay, and just relax here. Do all pastry chefs have forearms like truck drivers?
I don't know.
Does this come with the job? What is going on here?
That's what they were telling me, but no, I think that's me.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing, right? You have wrists and arms like an automatic, like a guy who works on cars. Yeah, I guess you work with your hands all the time. Yeah. Chiropractors also have strong hands, but your fingers are thicker than the average person. That's all muscle. You know that's muscle. That's what that is. It's pretty crazy. Yes. Yeah. Oh, especially that, man. My goodness. Incredible. All right. Take this leg, put it here, and sit facing this way, please. Okay? Move up a little bit. Cool. Let's take this arm, come across, and this comes underneath. Like this, okay? We're going to just turn left a little bit. If it's too much pain, you tell me, okay? Yeah. Good. Just want to see where we're stiff. Right in here. So I'm going to breathe in for me, James. Breathe in and breathe out. Turn left. Good. Let it go. That's it. Nice and easy. Let's put this on top. Turn right a little bit. Hold 1 minute. Same thing. Let's see if we can get more movement here. Breathe in real deep and breathe out. Just gonna turn right. Good. Good. Drop your arms. Relax now. Okay, we're gonna do something very similar. I'm gonna cross these arms again. This comes on top, this comes underneath. Head comes down a little bit. This time, I'm gonna ask you to breathe in, I lean you back. Okay. All right? When we go back, you keep your head tucked like that, okay? We're gonna try to move here and then up here. Okay. Okay, keep your head tucked. Breathe in, please. And breathe out. Lean back. Nice and easy. Come back up. Breathe in again. And all the way out. Breathe out. Keep your head tucked. Relax. Good. Come back up. Very good. Very good. Yes, sir. There we go. There we go. Okay, come on. All right, nice and easy. Good. Bring this up one more time. Just a stretch. Good. Let's see how we're moving in there. Okay, just going to bring your leg up. Let it come down to the side. Nice and easy. We're going to stretch. Tell me how that feels. Not too much, or is that okay?
It's okay.
Good. Good. Let's go to the other side. Nice and easy. Just let it drop easy. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, bring it right back down to the middle. We'll take these off if that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Again, you're going to feel a little tap in here, just a little bit, okay? So just first bring this leg up and come right back down. And now just relax. Just relax. I want to just feel the joint. This joint is a little bit tight. This is your sacroiliac joint. And that gets tight when you stand up all day, which you probably do.
Yes.
Okay, it's going to come right in the pelvis. Okay, lift up again. Go a little further this time. Nice. Good, come back down, relax. Same thing here, up a little bit, this side, then back down, and now relax. Just going to feel movement in the joint. Good. Right there. Little step. Right here. Right the pelvis. Lift up again. We're going to go a little bit further this time. Good. Calm back down. Relax. Easy. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to lean your head to the side nice and easy. Just don't help me, just relax. Just focus on your breathing, nice and easy. And I'm just going to come in here a little bit to the side. I want to stretch out just a little bit. That's it. And just relax. Good. Come back here, Jimmy. Good. That's it. That's where you're really tight in there.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. And put a gentle stretch. Just a gentle stretch. A little relax. A little more. A little more right there. Come back here. Yep. Good. Good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. Jimmy, if you can lay down on your side and face the door, please. Lay right on your side. Rest your head here. Right here. Nice and easy. Cool. Slide down a little bit. Right there. That's fine. That's fine. I'm going to turn you a little bit. We're going to bend this, like this. Good. So most chefs I take care of, they all have burns someplace. Yeah, so I take care of some chefs. Just relax inside here. I'm just going to let this drop a little bit to stretch the lower back. Good. Just going to bring you forward a little bit. Open the joint. Good. Just like that. Good. Come on your other side, please. All right, let's try to open the joint from the other side. I'm going to turn you a little bit. Come a little closer, please. That's cool. Just bend that. Just relax. Let it just drop forward a little bit. Stretch the lower back. Yeah. Just see if we can get a little bit of movement in here. Good. Just breathe in for me if you can. Yeah, nice and easy. Good. That's it. Come on your back and bend your knees. Bend your knees. Okay? Okay. Move up a little bit. Okay. So what I want you to do is squeeze together. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Separate. Separate. Good. Bring this down and relax. Relax. Okay, relax. I'm going to make a circle. Nice big circle. Okay, let it come down. Right here. Let it drop. Good. Nice and easy. I'm going to come straight up. Stretch the hamstring. A little bit tight. Good. And just relax. This goes off the table. Stretch the hip flexor. Good. Good stretch. Come back up. And now relax the leg. Easy. Let the leg relax. Good. Try to open the ankle. Good. 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 All right, relax this leg, easy. Do a big circle. Again. Bring it down. Stretch the hip. Good. Just let it go, let it relax, and go straight up. Stretch the hamstring muscle. A little bit more. Let it go straight. Let it go. Don't help me. Don't help me. Let me do it. Just relax. Easy. Good. So when you stand and walk all day, these hamstring muscles get very tight. Yeah, very tight. So you try to focus at home. Just try to stretch those. Yeah. Right. Off the table. Stretch the flexors. Good. Come back, please. Right here. Relax the leg. Just let it drop. Nice and heavy. Good. And relax the ankle. Good. Good. And more. Okay, I'm going to try to open this ankle a little bit. That was it. Perfect. Fantastic. So far, so good?
Yes.
Almost done. Almost done, right? Clear skies, no rain.
Yeah, let's hope.
I thought we were going to rain all day.
I think tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. Okay. Lift up your head a little bit. No, you're fine right there. And now let's just relax, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Good. Okay, so when you close your eyes and breathe nice and easy, focus on your breathing. You're going to do a little adjustment here, and then we're going to go on the left side also, up top inside there. So just relax easy. Good. Good. Just going to open the joint a little bit and stretch. Just relax your shoulders a little bit more. Good. Let it go right there. Come back in. Easy, easy. You tighten up a little bit there. Yeah, yeah. You tighten up a little. Yeah, it was a little tight inside there. Just kind of relax a little bit. Good. Let's try to do a gentle adjustment right inside there. Just going to put a gentle stretch, right? A little bit of movement. Nice and easy. And just maybe focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. I'm just going to gently stretch this out. Just a little bit. I can feel it's really a little tight. Maybe a gentle movement. A little bit more. A little more. That's a little bit. Nothing more than that. I don't want to try to push anything. Okay? Thing. You're going to feel a gentle tap like that, right? Just on the clavicle area. Just want to loosen up the joint a little bit. Same thing here.